Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to turn your After Effects project files into actual video files. This tutorial is just because I got a comment on my cloning tutorial or whatever. The person was asking how they could turn it into a video and put it on YouTube, so this is for you, whoever you are. Can't remember your username right off. Um, so it's going to be really, really basic, but should help the beginners out there. Okay, so this is basically our tutorial from last week, the space thing, with just a couple slight tweaks to it, so it'll be a little bit more interesting to watch. So you go up here, click Composition, Add to Render Queue, or you can hit Control M. I like to think of that as Create Movie, Control M, I guess not really, Movie. Anyway, Create Movie, Control M, Add to Render Queue. And then when you're here, what I like to do is click where it says lossless, set the format to H.264, which it's gonna come out as MP4, but that's just what I use. Click here if you have any audio. This doesn't have any audio, but if you want to keep the sound, you got to check that box. Click Format Options. I would recommend keeping these around here, because if you drag them way up here, you're going to get like a several gigabyte file that's kind of, I mean, good quality, but you're not going to notice a whole lot of difference, and it'll probably be so huge that your computer, unless it's like a ridiculous computer, won't even play it at the right speed. So I would recommend somewhere in there, and then click OK, and this looks good. Click OK. And then best settings, best full quality, like, if you wanted to render it half quality, it would render it. You wouldn't get the full thing, so full, blah, blah, blah. All these settings look good. It's going to render at the default frame rate, 2.97. You can change that or whatever. And then this, you can just click here, and then that'll just tell you where you want it. You can show it where you want it to save the file and rename it from comp1 to something else. But anyway, so click render, and now this little thing's just going to go across the screen, and when it gets here, it'll go like, and it'll be done. And then you just open the place where you saved it, and the video file should be there. So it's really simple. And now we just have to wait for this to be finished. It tells you how much time has gone by. Elapsed time 18 seconds. Estimated time remaining 2 minutes. It's done 32 frames, right? Yeah. And then over here it's got 161 frames to do. So you just have to basically sit here and wait, or you can go to the bathroom or watch TV or go to my other YouTube channel, youtube.com/PCChangerProductions, and check that out and watch a couple funny videos and come back and this should be done. I could just like pause the video here and then wait till it's finished rendering, but I thought I would just leave it up so that you guys can see that it actually takes a little bit of time, and it will take more time if your computer is less powerful, and less time if your computer is more powerful, which is probably pretty obvious, but yeah. Okay, looks like we're about halfway there. And obviously this thing up here shows you, which, it's 191, so this is frame 92, frame 93, 94, 95, 96. You get the idea. Just a little preview window or whatever. Oh, if anyone was curious from the tutorial before with the moon, the little one with a link in the description, the moon with the link in the description is not the same moon that I used. I just went on Google Images and grabbed one really fast that looked like it would work, and put a link to it in case you guys didn't want to take the time to search Google Images for one. So that's what that was. If you were thinking that they didn't match, because you're right about that. They don't match. It was just a one that I figured you could use. Trying to save you a couple seconds of time because I'm nice like that. Dum da dum da dum. Okay, there we go. And now your video file will be wherever you told it to save, which was when I told you down here, you can just name it and tell it to save wherever. So, yeah, that's basically it. I hope it helped some people out. Set some video responses to this video, and I will let you know how you did on those. And I post free pre-keyed video effects if you want to look around my channel for those. So you can just download the video, drag it into your your video that you're working on, and you don't even have to like key out a background like black or chroma key green screen background or anything like that. It's just already done for you. Just drag it in, done. So that's pretty useful if you want to take advantage of that. Okay, I will see you next week in another tutorial. Hope this helped.